Hi, my name's Heather. I wanted to do a video for Instasmile and for you guys to show you the difference in the straighter and the difference in the natural ones. Okay, and this is going to be my opinion. All right, here's my teeth. These are my regular teeth. Not great. I'm 3 kids in and I don't know, they went downhill. All right, I'm going to show you the natural ones first. All right, there's my teeth. Here's the natural. Okay? They don't look bad at all. But I would say if you wanted to get these ones, they look like your teeth. They follow your natural pattern. They look improved. And they're not all the same length or nothing, but it's all about what you want. If you don't want to look like you had braces or that super Hollywood smile, maybe this one is more for you. Okay? All right. Now let me show you the straighter ones. Okay. All right. Here they are. Okay. I decided on these ones for me just because I wanted to do the all straight, all one length, and look like I had maybe dental work and all that. And I really like these more. But like I said, it's all up to you and it's all about what you want. See how they're all, same length. Okay? I hope me showing you this video shows you the difference and maybe helps you choose. And I'm going to do one more for you guys to see. Okay, straighter. My teeth. Okay. Here's natural. That's my teeth. One more time. Okay. Well, thank you. And thank you, Instasmile, for being so great. And if you guys haven't chosen them, you need to. You won't regret it. All right. Bye.